Hello and welcome to StoryTone English. You are listening to Listen and Speak English with Stories. In today's video, you will listen to the life story of Alfred Nobel. This story will help you improve your English listening skills, your pronunciation, and your speaking confidence. Please relax, sit comfortably, listen carefully, and speak with me when I ask you to repeat. You do not need to understand every word. Just keep listening. Understanding will come naturally. Now, let us begin today's story. Alfred Nobel was a famous inventor, a scientist, and a businessman. Today, millions of people know his name because of the Nobel Prize. But his life was full of questions, mistakes, and deep thinking. Alfred Nobel was born in the year 1833. He was born in Stockholm, Sweden. His family was educated, but they were not always financially stable. When Alfred was young, his family moved to Russia. His father worked as an engineer. He built machines and weapons. Alfred did not attend regular school for long. He studied at home. He learned from private teachers. He was very curious. Alfred Nobel loved learning languages. He could speak many languages. He spoke Swedish, Russian, French, German, and English. He also loved science. He enjoyed chemistry. He enjoyed reading. He enjoyed writing poetry. As a young man, Alfred traveled to different countries. He learned from scientists. He observed the world carefully. During this time, Alfred became interested in explosives. Explosives were dangerous, but they were useful for construction and mining. One chemical was very powerful. It was called nitroglycerin. It was very unstable. Many accidents happened. Alfred Nobel wanted to make it safer. He worked again and again. He failed many times. There were explosions. People were injured. Even his brother died in an accident. This was a painful time in his life, but Alfred did not stop. He believed failure was part of learning. After many experiments, he invented dynamite. Dynamite was safer to use. It helped build roads, tunnels, and railways. Alfred Nobel became very rich. His invention was used all over the world, but he was not happy. Dynamite was also used in wars. People were killed. This troubled Alfred deeply. One day, Alfred read a newspaper article. The article was written by mistake. It announced his death, even though he was alive. The newspaper called him the Merchant of Death. This shocked Alfred Nobel. He asked himself an important question. How will the world remember me? From that moment, his thinking changed. He wanted to leave a better legacy. Alfred Nobel decided to use his money to help humanity. He wrote a will. In his will, he created the Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize would reward people who helped the world. It would honor achievements in science, medicine, literature, and peace. Alfred Nobel died in the year 1896. He died quietly. He had no wife. He had no children. But his idea lived on. Today, the Nobel Prize is one of the most respected awards in the world. Alfred Nobel taught us an important lesson. A person is not remembered only by success, but by purpose. Your past does not define you. Your choices do. Now it is time to speak English. Please listen and repeat after me. Alfred Nobel wanted to help humanity. He learned from his mistakes. Failure did not stop him. I can learn from my past. Now repeat again. My actions can change my future. Learning English takes time and patience. I speak English with confidence. Now pause the video. Say these sentences loudly. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. Think about Alfred Nobel's life. Think about his choices. Think about his courage to change. Learning English is similar. Mistakes are part of learning. Progress comes step by step. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep improving. Thank you for learning with StoryTone English. See you in the next story.